So welcome back to the channel. So pump is here. So it arrived yesterday. So we are going to install it. And what have we done with the car? So I had to wrap it because it has been drizzling for the past 2 days. And I don't want the body filler to be, body fillers, they're like sponges. They attract moisture. So almost done with the prepping. They sanded it and I applied body filler, and I still have to sand more. Applied here, discovered a few more. Maybe tomorrow I'll primer it. But today we're going to be installing the fuel pump. Why is it not priming? Or does it say it doesn't prime? most of my cars prime whenever you turn on the key. Does your prime? So the truck primes, the X5 primes, the X5 primes, the bike primes, the Lancer primes. Let me know.